Trying something new, moving to a new country, or even starting a new job can be scary. I'm Dr. Haniyeh Yousofpour, and I welcome you back to my channel. Today, we are going to talk about the challenges of new experiences. All of us have to experience change at some point of our life. Whether it is starting a new job, a new school, or moving to a new country, we are faced with a lot of unknown. This can be scary, but you're not alone. The top 3 challenges that people face when they are starting something new is the amount of unknown that they have to deal with. We are afraid of things we don't know. The devil we know is always better than what we don't know. When there is darkness, we are afraid to take a step because we don't know what to expect. Number 2, when we are in a new environment, there is a lot of new information that's coming toward us. And this can lead to information overload. If you're at a new job, everything about the job, the organization, their policies, their procedures, their role, responsibility can be new. And it is hard to take all of this in and process them effectively. Moving to a new country will involve new language, new culture, new neighborhoods, new processes, new legal matters, and we have to learn a lot in a very short period of time. The information overload can be scary. And thirdly, when we are trying something new, we want to demonstrate confidence, but we don't know how to balance between showing up confident, but being open to new experiences and allowing others to support us. So the balance between this confidence and openness to learn can be challenging at times. But this can be overcome easily. The first thing that we need to do is to give ourselves time and be patient. Rome was not built overnight, so give yourself some time. Don't make any radical decision because the change itself has been radical. So you need to pause, observe, look around, see how things are being done. Be selective about the information that you're taking in and give yourself the time necessary to learn the new ways. The second thing that's very helpful in such situation is building a helpful network. Meet your new neighbor, your new coworker, people that you can rely on, and you can ask questions when you don't know the answer or the way. The third thing that's important is finding some stability in this new environment and chaotic situation. And this could be as simple as finding a coffee shop that you can go to on a daily basis to pick up your coffee, or having lunch at the same place in the cafeteria, or going and talking to the same person and just do casual greeting on a regular basis. Finding some routine will help your mind to calm down, and with time, you can add to that routine as you find your place in the new environments. But there are things that you can actually do before starting your new journey. And this is extremely important. People who prepare for such a change are usually more successful in adapting to the new environments. So preparing and planning are extremely important. How do you do that? Whatever new thing you're trying, whether it is trying a new restaurant, which is very simple, or moving to a new country, you can do some research ahead of time. You can look at the restaurant, the rating, the type of food, what you can expect, so that when you walk into the situation, you're not shocked by everything. For more significant changes, such as immigration, you have to do research about the country, what are the rules, the regulations, some of the customs, know basic language for the country, what are the different neighborhoods, what you can expect, so that you have some idea about the fundamental issues that you're going to be facing. The second thing that is important to do is to build a support group before you make the change. Of course, this is more relevant to more significant changes. But even in small changes and new experiences, if you're going to try a new restaurant, you could still go with friends that you're comfortable to share your discomfort with. So having a support group is very important to help you prepare for new experiences. Someone that you can call on if you don't know what to do in the new environments. If you're at work and you're having a challenge with your new job, who can you call to help you navigate through the system? This support group can be present with you, or they can belong to the environment that you're leaving. But nonetheless, it's extremely important to have that support group. And third is a mindset change. You need to be flexible. When you are changing your routines, you have to understand things are not going to be the same. So you have to prepare your mind for that. You have to think about how things may be different. How would that impact you? Explore your emotions and prepare for that. Flexibility is the number one key to success when it comes to new experiences. These are very easily said, and I understand that they're much harder to implement. But to think about a change that you're going to experience, to remember why are you making this change, it will motivate you to commit to the change and take the right steps to succeed in this new environment, new job, new country, or just new journey. Thank you for watching, and if this kind of topics interest you, please subscribe for the future episodes.